So what are the most important things to you in making your next move? Do you value quality, location, move-in readiness, if that's even a word? Or do you just want something that's gonna knock your socks off? If you're in search of the wow factor, then welcome to 3630 Killarney Plaza Drive. This home is located in Kenmare Commons, which is inside the larger Killarney Estates neighborhood. And you're just 5 minutes to the newly renovated Market District, Premier Health and Fitness Center, Village Square, Fresh Market, and you're a straight shot right into downtown as well. This home boasts soaring ceilings, beautiful brand new light oak LVP floors, new fixtures, gorgeous white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an elegant subway tile backsplash. A spacious master bedroom with brand new ceiling fan, and a gorgeous ensuite master bathroom with dual vanities, gold accents, and drop-in sinks. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional guest bedrooms, a spacious guest bathroom, also boasting dual vanities, and a flexible loft space, ideal for a home office, children's play area, or other additional living space. This home has 1,750 square feet in one of the most desirable locations in Tallahassee, and all this for under $350,000. So if you're a bit like me, and you love high quality, modern conveniences, and the ability to move in right away and enjoy, then 3630 Killarney Plaza Drive is exactly the home for you. So give us a call, 850-296-8632, and set up your showing today.